BigLinux is a mature, community-driven distribution from Brazil that combines ease of use with a rich feature set, making it an excellent choice for both newcomers and seasoned Linux users. First released in 2004 and continuously refined over 19 years under the motto "In search of the perfect system," BigLinux offers a highly polished desktop experience, extensive hardware compatibility, and powerful out-of-the-box applications, all localized into Brazilian Portuguese with full English support. In this video, we will explore its origins, key features including live mode, office and gaming tools, remote access, system snapshots, advanced package management, and multiple desktop layouts, and highlight why the latest BigLinux remains a top pick for anyone seeking a reliable, versatile Linux system. Let's first start with the origins and philosophy. BigLinux was born in Brazil in August 2004 as an effort to make Linux accessible and appealing to Portuguese-speaking users, evolving from Kubuntu roots to embrace Deepin and more recently Manjaro's repositories, with KDE Plasma as its flagship desktop. Driven by a mission to deliver the perfect system, it has matured through community feedback and expert stewardship into a distribution that balances stability with cutting-edge features. Now let's talk about the user-friendly design and live mode. From installation to daily use, BigLinux prioritizes simplicity. Its graphical installer guides user through partitioning and setup with minimal technical jargon, making it ideal for those migrating from Windows or macOS. Even without installation, its live mode lets you boot directly from a USB stick to explore all features, perfect for testing hardware compatibility before commitment. Now, productivity suite and web integration. Out of the box, BigLinux includes a full Office suite with a text editor featuring spell check, spreadsheet capabilities, and robust PDF search support, all pre-configured for immediate productivity. Additionally, dozens of lightweight web-based apps can be pinned to the desktop, blurring the line between local and cloud applications for seamless workflow integration. Now, gaming made easy. BigLinux caters to gamers with pre-installed Steam and Lutris clients, along with automated scripts for driver setup and performance tweaks. Benchmarks from Linux Gaming VR on YouTube demonstrate smooth gameplay across popular titles, underscoring the distro's optimization focus. Now, remote access and system snapshots. Built-in rush test support transforms your machine into a remotely accessible workstation. Control it from another PC or a smartphone with ease, thanks to mobile clients on both Google Play and the App Store. For peace of mind, automatic restoration points created daily and retained for 5 days allow you to roll back the entire system to a previous state within seconds. Now, advanced package management. Beyond its native Manjaro and BigLinux repositories, the distro fully supports AUR, Flatpak, Snap, and .app image integration. It includes a converter that auto-transforms .deb and .rpm packages for hassle-free installation, plus built-in Java for running .jar applications out of the box. Now, innovative storage and compression. BigLinux transparently compresses all user files using the Z standard, which is ZSTD format, providing more disk space without changing your workflow. Files appear and behave as usual, while taking up significantly less space on disk. Now, smartphone integration and multimedia tools. With native wireless mouse and keyboard functionality via smartphone, clipboard syncing and file transfers, BigLinux blurred device boundaries to streamline your productivity. Right-click context menus deliver powerful multimedia and document tools. Convert videos, resize images, perform OCR on PDFs, and more without launching separate applications. Now, multiple desktop layouts. Customize your environment with 6 pre-configured desktop layouts: Classic, New, Modern, KUnity, NextG, and DeskX, each offering unique icon docks and window behaviors to suit different workflows and aesthetics. Now finally, the community and global reach. Maintained by a dedicated team in Brazil and translated into over 29 languages since 2022. BigLinux has expanded far beyond its local roots to build a vibrant global community with forums, GitHub repositories, and social media channels, fostering collaboration and support. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.